I'm Arjun Priya, Super Hits 93.5 Red FM se, and today we have come here at the Bangalore Times Fashion Week.
This time I was walking for Dharti, and it is a bag product, so it's a sustainable product. So it is made of the leftovers from rubber, the
super.
tire which is leftover. So and it's something related to and I'm always very close to nature. I'm from Coorg,
Yeah.
so I really felt very interesting because it is something with eco-friendly product. So yes, and I wore kaftans by Somville. So it's something which showed up where a girl can be classy, and also there's something useful for the society as well.
Yeah. What does fashion mean to you personally?
Confidence and confidence.
Any word for Bangalore Times Fashion Week?
Bangalore Times Fashion Week has got my heart always. They always bring out fantastic fashion products, and also they are trying to build exclusive exclusive products here and showcase the exclusive products here. I'm very happy to be a part of it, and I hope many fashion weeks comes up, and I walk and spend.
You've been a part of Bangalore Times Fashion Week for quite a few years now. What kind of an impact do you think that this kind of an event makes?
So if you see Bangalore Times, which is a city supplement of Para Times of India,
Yeah.
is all about fashion, lifestyle, food. This is a IP which has been created to promote fashion.
Right.
So that is where it started off. We started off with Bombay Times Fashion Week a long time back, which is our flagship property, and subsequently we have created versions of Fashion Week across cities.
Yeah,
So Bangalore Times Fashion Week, this is the 12th edition, which is itself is a huge landmark.
absolutely.
And
Yeah.
I think it really gives an expression to the local designers, because Bangalore Times Fashion Week promotes local designers as well as some designers from all over the country. But our whole idea is to give platform to local designers.
बजाते रहो